Cry. To shed tears from your eyes because you are sad. Don't cry, everything will be okay. He cried when he fell down. Treat. Something special and fun, like a sweet or a gift. Chocolate is my favorite treat. The kids got a treat after school. Brick. A hard block made of clay or stone. The house is made of red bricks. Bricks are used to build strong walls. Feed. To give food to a person or animal. I feed my dog every morning. She feeds the baby with a spoon. Meet. To see and talk to someone. I will meet my friend at the park. We meet every Sunday at the cafe. Send. To make something go from you to someone else, like a message, letter, or gift. I will send you a message. She sent a birthday card to her friend. Blind. Not able to see with your eyes. He is blind and cannot see. She helps blind people cross the road. Fill. To make something full by putting something inside it. Please fill the glass with water. They filled the basket with fruits. Dry. Something that has no water or no wetness. My clothes are dry now. We stayed dry in the rain because of the umbrella. Early. Before the usual time. I wake up early every day. The train came early this morning.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!